everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, we are running through all of the recipes from the 5-ingredient Renal Diet Cookbook. This book is available on Amazon, so I'll leave a link in my caption. All of these recipes are kidney and beginner friendly and still taste super good. So without further ado, let's get into it. Today we're going to be making Modena balsamic roasted tomatoes. We're going to need a tomato, balsamic vinegar, pepper, salt, and basil, as well as extra virgin olive oil. So first we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. Then we're going to line a baking sheet with parchment paper or tinfoil, whatever you have. We want to chop our tomato in half. So you want to use about a medium tomato. I think mine's a little bit big, but so you're just going to chop it right in half. And then place them on your baking sheet. Take 2 teaspoons of your balsamic vinegar and you're going to drizzle it on top. So I'm going to do a teaspoon on each. And you're going to do 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to split it up between the two. A 1/4 teaspoon of dried basil. I think I might have done a little bit more, but a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper. So once the oven is heated, we're going to toss these in for about 15 minutes or until they're starting to look tender or slightly caramelized. Our tomatoes are done. I'm going to give it a shot. It's probably really hot though. To be honest, I think that the balsamic vinegar and everything just slid off of it. All I can really taste is basil. So in the picture, it actually shows using cherry tomatoes. And I think that would work way better because you can kind of like drizzle things over top and it'll probably like hold it all together. I think just being 1 single tomato, yeah, everything just kind of falls off. But overall, it's not a bad taste. It's just not much to it rather than just being a warm tomato. But anyways, if I could make a recommendation for this, it would be try it with cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes. I think it would hold the flavor much better. A reminder, I got the recipe from this book. I have a link in my caption. So thank you for watching. Have a great day and see you next time.